But yeah, the difference between the manual and the auto in terms of fuel consumption, I was getting around 17 k's per liter when I'm driving. Like normally I've got a pretty heavy foot, 17 k's per liter in the manual GL, and then in this auto we're averaging about 14.5, but I haven't really tried to do an economy run with this. So when I did an economy run with the GL manual, that I was getting 19 k's per liter, which I think for that size vehicle is exceptional. And I'm pretty sure I can get this auto to about between 15 and 16 k's per liter as well. Yeah, then the other thing for the GLX Auto is the ambient lighting, and the kids love it. So obviously this is a red car, so I changed the ambient lighting to red.